All right, it's Veterans Day, and what better way to celebrate than with some American-made products? Look at this spread.
And this month, Walmart's teaming up with veteran-owned brands to raise money.
Yes, sir.
My chance to outdo Pete's Pocket Square.
I got a couple over there on the table.
All right, home contractor Skip BEDELL has a bunch of Americana and American-made products right here on Fox Square.
Yeah, guys, thank you so much for having me again, as always, and happy Veterans Day. And, you know, a huge thank you, obviously, to all the members of our military service. We owe them a huge debt of gratitude. And listen, Walmart, you know, I partnered together with them this year, basically to salute and thank our veterans. They do all kinds of programs all throughout the year. So if you look on their website at walmart.com or on the app, you'll find tons of American-made products and veteran-owned products, like some of these right here. So, for example, Beaumont Products, they make tons of cleaning products, air fresheners, all kinds of great things. These are run by Vietnam vets. They started back in 1991. They're located in Georgia. This is Jeffrey's Socks, so founded in 1937, headquartered in North Carolina, military-approved socks.
I recognize these.
You know these, right?
These are meet uniform
Pete
code.
knows what these are. So these are approved for combat boots and also for any kind of boots. They make kids and even look at these cute little baby socks. So also Grind. So this is a great product. This is natural toothpaste. These guys focus on veterans' access to dental care. So there's no fluoride in this toothpaste and all natural ingredients like charcoal, some great things.
Like that.
Right? Right? No fluoride. You got to have that.
I love that.
And of course, Fire Department Coffee.
Fire Department Coffee.
Fire Department Coffee is founded by Navy veterans. They're located right here in America.
Wow.
Make great quality coffee. So this is just a couple of examples, some of the stuff that I like. But if you shop on these products at the app or walmart.com, you have an option to round up your purchase. There's a button there, and that money goes to all those foundations and helps the vets. So great way to help out the veterans. And tonight, guys, right here in Tampa, Florida, it's right at the Mid-Florida Credit Union Amphitheater. There's a huge concert, Heroes and Headliners. I don't know if you guys have heard about this. It's a massive concert going on tonight with her, Imagine Dragons, and my favorite, Chris Stapleton.
Love Chris Stapleton.
It's going to be an awesome show. So the viewers, all the Fox viewers tonight, obviously if you can't get to Tampa, you can stream it completely free at walmart.com live. So it allows you to see the concert even if you can't get there. And they're donating up to $4 million tonight for veterans causes. So all a great way to help out our vets and say thank you.
That's awesome.
Great.
I love this unfiltered raw honey and in these little packets.
Yes.
So clever.
It's super convenient for your tea, right? Great Nate's, this is 100% pure organic coffee. And again, all these American products and veteran-owned companies, if you go right on the app or the website, there's a button to click and you can pull up a whole list of American-owned or veteran-owned companies.
Sort by that. To find these amazing veteran-owned products, go to skipbedell.com, and to watch Heroes and Headliners tonight, as you mentioned, walmart.com/.
This is going to be an amazing concert, guys.
Very cool.
You're going to want to check it out.
Skip, thank you, brother.
Thank you, man.
Hey, thank you,
Appreciate your
guys.
time this morning.
Hey, thank you for having me.
Friends just moments away.
These are the days of America, walking together through the promised land. Wheels in Detroit.